chassis hit the ground.
Jangan construction trucks too big.
Dia salah masukkan. Jangan masuk dulu ya.
Wah, cakap sini. Wah, the jetty the.
Yeah. Later when you
ขอบคุณครับ
when I swim then disappear.
Right, I have to pause all the cinematics for a while and tell you guys what's going on here. This is actually, is it the Emerald Cave?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have to swim through that black hole over there. So it's a bit scary because when you reach around the middle, there's absolutely no light at all. Pitch black, darkness, you can't see anything. So you have to rely on your guide with their small headlamp. But thankfully we made it through. It's only like a 5-minute swim. Futong, are you exhausted? Yeah.
Quite scary, the dark part.
Yeah.
Don't
Can't
get
see.
scared. Don't panic.
I
Then
don't
you will
have
be
my
out of breath.
spectacles.
You just
Not
don't
wearing
go
my
back.
glasses, so I can't see anything.
Oh yeah. But after you go through that, you are rewarded with this beauty over here. It's amazing.
It's a hole in the mountain.
Yeah. Sadly though, like with all places in Thailand, when it's nice, when it's like amazing natural beauty, it's gonna be filled with tourists. Like us. We're part of the problem. Yeah, if you don't mind the tourists, I think it's amazing. Worth the trip. Hey guys, so we're back here in our place in London. If you haven't already guessed, where we were at during that few days was in Koh Lanta. And we drove there from Penang, which is actually quite a pretty good drive, about 8 hours all the way from Penang to Koh Lanta, and that is including the border checkpoint. Overall, we really love Koh Lanta, and I think it could be the last paradise in Thailand, because we've been going to Thailand a lot and we really love Thailand. It's just that the over-tourism is quite bad in Thailand, and it's not Thailand's fault. It's just when the nature is beautiful, people is gonna just come. An example would be like Koh Phi Phi. Koh Phi Phi is so beautiful, especially Maya Bay is so amazing. It's unfortunate that the tourists kept coming and there's no strict controls, which is why the over-tourism destroyed Maya Bay completely. Thankfully, the Thai government is doing some initiatives that is helping the environment, like for example closing down Maya Bay, which is a really good move, because right now all the shops are coming back. So yeah, Thailand needs to keep doing that, and Koh Lanta right now is not over touristy. The only part that is actually over touristy is just the last few days where we went for the, I think it's a 3-island tour, or is it a 4-island tour? Oh yeah, it's the 4-island tour, and it's including Koh Chuek, Koh Mu, the Emerald Cave, that's Koh Mu, Koh Kradan, and Koh Ngai, or is it Koma? So yeah, that's the only part that's actually touristy, but the rest of Koh Lanta is actually quite okay. And one thing that is really good about Koh Lanta is the fact that there's hardly any rubbish. When we were in Koh Phi Phi, we went for one canoeing tour. Maybe you missed my really old Koh Phi Phi video, which you can click here or here. In one of the places where we canoed to, it was a secluded beach, so beautiful, but when we landed, it was filled with rubbish all the way. It was like, oh my goodness, it's crazy. So unfortunately, that's the problem in Thailand. Sometimes it's the over-tourism, the rubbish in some of the islands, but in Koh Lanta, you'll be assured to know that there's hardly any rubbish at all, which is perfect. I highly recommend Koh Lanta. So, and it's just a 7-8 hour drive away from Penang, so you don't have to take a flight, which is fine, especially if you're driving from Malaysia. Something that you need to know is we haven't been to the islands near the Cambodian border, which a lot of people are saying is the true paradise of Thailand. Maybe next time. But for now, this is, if you're talking about the south of Thailand, Koh Lanta is amazing. You guys have to check it out. So, highly recommended. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us.